Evening, my dear third semester mechanical and automobile students. Today I will discuss some important problem in the first chapter, that is in the subject thermal engineering 1. First question is like that.
1.
First question is the initial pressure and temperature of certain quantity of air contained in a closed vessel are 15 bar and 30 degree centigrade respectively. Air is heated until its temperature rises to 100 degree centigrade. Determine the final pressure. First of all, data given. P1 is equal to the initial pressure is equal to 15 bar. T1, the initial temperature is equal to 30 degree centigrade is equal to 30 plus 273 is equal to 303 Kelvin. You know that 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. Therefore, 30 degree centigrade is equal to 30 plus 273 is equal to 303 Kelvin. Then T2 is equal to final temperature is equal to 100 degree centigrade is equal to 100 plus 273 is equal to 373 degree Kelvin. You know that since the vessel is a closed one, since it is a closed vessel, V1 is equal to V2 because volume is always constant. Therefore, I am writing as the vessel is closed, V1 is equal to V2. We know from combined gas equation, you know that combined gas equation means when we combine both Boyle's law and Charles' law, we get P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Since V1 is equal to V2, that equation becomes P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. After cross multiplication, P1 T2 T2 is equal to P2 into T1, or P2 is equal to P1 T2 divided by T1. After putting all the values, we have P1 is equal to 15 because that I given 15 bar. Then T2 is equal to 373 Kelvin, 373 divided by T1 303 is equal to, after calculating we have 18.46 bar. Therefore, the required final pressure is 18.46 bar. Then I will discuss another problem. Next question is the capacity of a balloon is 10,000 meter cube at 20 degree centigrade, and under atmospheric pressure, what volume of gas must be let out when the surrounding pressure drops to 0.8 bar and the temperature rises to 50 degree centigrade. First of all, data given. 10,000 means V1 is equal to initial volume of a balloon is 10,000 meter cube. Then P1, you know that atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.01325 bar. It is the constant term. Then T1 is equal to 20 degree centigrade is equal to 20 plus 273 is equal to 293 Kelvin, because you know that 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. Therefore, 20 degree centigrade is equal to 20 plus 273 is equal to 293 Kelvin. Then P2 is equal to final pressure is equal to 0.8 bar. This is the final pressure. P2 is equal to 0.8 bar. T2 is equal to 50 degree centigrade is equal to 50 plus 273 is equal to 323 Kelvin. Let V2 is equal to final volume. We know that from combined gas equation P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. After cross multiplication P2 V2 T1 P2 V2 T1 is equal to P1 V1 T2, or V2 is equal to P1 V1 T2 divided by P2 T1. After putting all the values, we have P1 means 1.01325 bar into V1 is equal to 10,000 into T2 is equal to 323 divided by P2 0.8 into 293 is equal to 13962.446 meter cube. Required volume of gas which must be let out of the balloon is equal to 13962.446 minus 10,000 is equal to 3962.446 meter cube. This is the required answer. Then I will discuss another problem.
1.
Third question is, in a non-flow process, a gas expands from volume 1 meter cube to a volume of 2 meter cube. According to the law, P is equal to 4 by V plus 1.5, where P is the pressure at any point in its path in bar, and V is the volume at the same point in meter cube. Determine bit 1 the pressure at the end of expansion in kilonewton per meter square, and second one is work done by the gas doing expansion in kilojoule. First of all, data given. V1 is equal to initial volume is equal to 1 meter cube. V2 is equal to final volume is equal to 2 meter cube. Then law of expansion is given by P is equal to 4 by V plus 1.5 bar, where V is the volume in meter cube at any instant. First question is, determine the pressure at the end of expansion in kilonewton per meter square. We have since P is equal to 4 by V plus 1.5 bar, therefore P2 ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରେସରଟା P2 ହେବ, ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ୍ ହେବ V2, therefore I am writing as P2 is equal to 4 by V2 plus 1.5 bar is equal to 4 by 2, because volume V2 is equal to 2. 4 by 2 plus 1.5 bar is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 1.5 bar is equal to 3.5 bar is equal to 3.5 into 10 to the 5 Newton per meter square, because 1 bar is equal to 10 to the 5 Newton per meter square. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଲି 3.5 bar is equal to 3.5 into 10 to the 5 Newton per meter square. क्वेश्चन ଦେଇଛି, ଆକୁ କନଭର୍ଟ କର କିଲୋ ନ୍ୟୁଟନ per meter square. Therefore I am dividing 1000. Therefore I am writing 3.5 into 10 to the 5 divided by 1000 kilo Newton per meter square is equal to 10 to the 5, because 3.5 into 10 to the 5 divided by 1000 is equal to 3.5 into 100 because 3.5 into 10 to the 5 divided by 10 to the 3. Therefore, I am writing 3.5 into 100 is equal to 350 kilonewton per meter square. Second one is work done is given by, you know that work done is equal to PdV with the limit V1 to V2. But I am writing P जगह में कौन लिखिबा 4 by V plus 1.5 into 10 to the 5 dV with the limit V1 to V2. Therefore 4 by V into 10 to the 5 because 10 to the 5 टा सबुतरे मल्टीप्लाई हेबो 4 by V into 10 to the 5 dV with the limit V1 to V2 plus 1.5 into 10 to the 5 with the limit V1 to V2 dV is equal to, since 4 into 10 to the 5 is a constant term, आम आगु बाहर को नहीं आसले 4 into 10 to the 5 with the limit dV by V with the limit V1 to V2 plus 1.5 into 10 to the 5 is a constant term, तेणु आम कौन कले बाहर को नहीं आसले से लिखले कौन 1.5 into 10 to the 5 with the limit dV with the limit V1 to V2 और तुम जानिଛ पिला माने dV by V आर इंटीग्रेशन कौन हो ना log e V. Therefore integration of dV by V is equal to log e V with the limit V1 to V2 plus dV रा इंटीग्रेशन केता हो केवल only V. Therefore I am writing as 1.5 into 10 to the 5 V with the limit V1 to V2 joule or 4 into 10 to the 5 log e V2 by V1 क्या तुम जानिଛ log e V माने log e V2 divided by V1 plus 1.5 into 10 to the 5 V माने V2 minus V1 substitute the value V1 V2 upper limit is V2 lower limit is V1. Therefore I am writing as V2 minus V1 joule. Then W is equal to 4 into 10 to the 5 log e 2 because V2 is equal to 2 V1 is equal to 1 plus 1.5 into 10 to the 5 with the limit 2 minus 1 joule. Then log e 2 आर भैल्यूटा हवा के 0.693 बिकज तुम पिला माने कैलकुलेटर यूज कर सब log e 2 आसला 0.693 क्या पिला माने बहुत भूल करती से तुम जाना उचित जे log e 2 माने ये लिख log e 2 से 0.693 तेणु आमर के 10 to the 5 कॉमन नहीं गले रहा 4 into 0.693 plus 1.5 10 to the 5 कॉमन गले 4 into 0.693 is equal to 2.772 plus 1.5 is equal to 10 to the 5 into 2.772 plus 1.5 is equal to 4.272 आम आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन कलापर आसो 427200 जूल आम आपको जेहेतु कन्वर्ट करवा किलो जूल आम 1000 हरिदेवा 427200 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 इज इक्वल टू 427.2 किलो जूल बहुत पिला माने भूल करता सपोज 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू डैश किलो जूल तुम कौन कर 1/1000 किलो जूल से 427,200 divided by 1000 is equal to 427.2 kilojoule. This is the required answer. तेणु ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ପିଲାମାନେ ये जो तीन प्रोब्लेम कली आपको सीरियसली पढ़ प्रैक्टिस कर देखियो परीक्षा तुम सब परीक्षा आसीज जदि सीरियसली लेखा लेखि न कर किसी बुझीपर कैलकुलेटर यूज कर खाता यूज कर प्रैक्टिस कर देखियो सक्सेसफुल हम तेणु यही भिडियोटी मु भावुची तुमको साहाय्य कर तेणु मोर चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करूँ एवं कमेंट दिंतु फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे मु पकेबी अन्य जो चैप्टर रो प्रॉब्लम आउ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन थैंक यू।